Meet Quarky. It's a gesture-controlled robot. No. A smart gardening system? No, wait. An autonomous delivery truck? No. A Mars rover? Actually, it's all this rolled into one.
Hi, Quarky.
Hi, Jay.
It's an AI and robotics learning companion for the next generation. Quarky takes children on an exciting journey to explore advanced concepts on AI and robotics with an easy, engaging, and hands-on approach. It is packed with interactive online courses and engaging live sessions that help children to learn, code, and make their own real-world projects. In other words, one Quarky, endless possibilities. Quarky is portable. Carry Quarky around and control it using your laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. It's easy to program, whether you're a coding newbie using blocks or an expert using Python. Comes with a plug-and-play interface, making it hassle-free and with some of the coolest latest tech. So imagine a self-driving car which identifies street signs and pedestrians, or a faithful robot dog that follows commands with the help of machine learning and object detection. It's evident that Quarky is for everyone who wants to be ahead of the curve.
Ready to explore the universe of AI and robotics with me?